How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 85 Chevrolet Silverado C10 short box. Truck's been all restored. It's a clean southern truck. When they redid it, they did a steel cowl hood on it. It's done its factory colors, the cocoa brown and beige two-tone. See, it's all the original grille and headlight bezels, excellent condition. Re-chromed the front bumper, replaced it. It's got the factory chin spoiler on it. See, the truck's real straight, flat down the sides. It's got the factory pinstripe back on it, all the factory moldings. Got the factory rally wheels. Super nice little truck. Got the original tailgate applique in excellent condition. Looks like the rear bumper's been re-chromed. Very nice. It's nice and straight and flat down the sides. It's got dual tanks. It's all stock under the hood. It's got a nice little 350 in it. Power steering, brakes, air. Got the factory jack and everything in place like it should be. All the factory exhaust manifolds into duals. And this is a very nicely done truck. All the door jambs are really nice. Got power windows, power locks, got tilt, got cruise. Even the key buzzer still works. Everything in this truck works. Very nice truck, guys. So I really like the color combination on it. They repainted the inside of the bed. I personally would put a little tonneau cover on the truck. It's the only thing I'd do to this truck. Got the AM/FM stereo in it. See your dual tank switch. All the carpet, everything's been redone in the truck. Very nicely done. Fires right up. Oh, let's look at one headlight. Looked like it might have been out. We'll get that taken care of. Just a super nice, straight, clean, nice truck. Sounds real good off the back. Reverse lights and everything work. Tell you, it's just a really cool truck. Brand new tires and everything on it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.